Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have Nissan Rogue 2013-2014 CVT Judder, and this is applied for all Nissan and Infiniti with the CVT Judder or with the CVT transmission having CVT code, which is Judder code, and that code will not be erased unless you have to write down the configuration data, which is the car itself. When you buy the car transmission brand new, it comes a CD inside. On this CD, this here in this place here, this is the configuration data. If you are able to extract this one, you can write it back into the transmission using the tools that is available. And this one is going to be the sticker. You're going to peel it and you're going to put it on the transmission. If you have a used transmission and it has this one, this is the programming data. If you are able to read it and use a tool to write it, it's going to be okay. Now I already read this CD and I have those files 28x20 x2b in the system. So I am going to use, okay, as usual, I'm going to use Console 3 Plus with Mitsubishi Renault interface. There is the other interface also. You can use any one of them, but it is better to have the right tools. I am going to use Console 3 Plus, which is here. I will double click on it. I will double click on the icon, and then from there I will wait a little bit. Console 3 Plus is the only software that can do anything on Nissan, from steering wheel, ABS, transmission, all the functionality of Nissan Infiniti, Datsun up to today. Okay, now I have this car. I will go to diagnose, for example, to deal with this aspect, and it has a special way. You see how many computers are in Nissan Infiniti and Datsun? A lot. How much you think? Look at here. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 times 4, 28 computer times 6 pages. So stay with me, I gotta show you. 28 computer times 6. Look here, look here, look here, look here, look here. Now we have only 14, 15 in the other page. So 5 times 28. But not all those computers are in one car. That means Nissan Infiniti, that's on using 28 times 5. That's 140, and another 1,555, 156 computers, different computers on Nissan Infiniti Datsuns. Just put it in your mind. So now choose what you have. Maybe your car. How you know if your car have how many computers? You just go to diagnose all. It will go and it will show you how many computers there. This is for diagnose only one system. Like if you want to go to one computer and check that specific transmission, engine, airbags, anything, radio. If you want to check all system, is to run the car to diagnose all the system, and that is good for if you want to know what is available. Here is for programming and configuration. You change a module, you do something, you do it here. Here is for maintenance. If you do anything, you want to reset it, sub mode, VDC, a lot of things. But I am concerning only about if you're working only on Nissan Infiniti, Datsun, get these tools and get the original one, because you can get aftermarket or something that is not working. You get stuck with it. You messed up a computer, or you're going to be in trouble. I will go to diagnose one system, and I will go to transmission. From transmission, I wait a little bit to let the car communicate, and each function have its own way. Follow the steps, train yourself. The dealer will not come here, or the manufacturer of the company. Do your own database, how to program cars, how to log into it, what it is, what is the value. For example, you see here I have fuel pressure sensor code and I have CVT Judder code. If you notice here, the bottom one, P17F0 current. The other one, if you try to delete them, let me turn the key off, engine off, ignition on. You see the battery look like it's weak. I'm gonna bring the key here and push it with the key. This is what happens if you have a problem and the key doesn't want to work. You see here, I cannot detect the key. That is not good for this. Now I'm gonna try to erase the codes. I am sure all the code will disappear except one. Show you how. This one will not go away. You have to write down the software in it. It's missing this. It's just like you're putting a password in the laptop, in your computer, in your phone. It will not allow you to go to the next step because it is wrong password. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back 1, 2, 3, diagnose support, and from the bottom 1, 2, 3, you see here, write IP characteristic replacement automatic CVT, and then press OK. Now you're gonna get the software. I already have them in my system. You see here, I have it in my desktop. I'm gonna scroll down to see if I have it. If I don't have it here, I will look more down into desktop here. Look here, this is another one. I will look here too, slowly, because I have them, I save them all the time. Look here. If I don't see it, 38X, I don't see it here. Let me see if I can get it inside desktop again. 38X. It is not. Let me see, 2, 8. I don't have this file here. So what I'm gonna do, I will go and open. I have a CD. I have a flash drive that's supposed to have this one. Stay with me. Okay, I have a flash drive that it has this file. I just stick it there. Flash drive is the update of the CD. It's the same thing. So let me go back and look at that that flash drive. I believe Philips. Maybe this one here. Okay, now I'm gonna look on here to see if I have that piece. I see Nissan Rogue here 2014. I'm gonna open this. $3VD, no. So let me see if I can get that one around here. Okay, I'm gonna go down and see. Yes, you see here, I have 2 of them. 28 2B, this is what I'm looking for. Now I upload it. It's supposed to come here. Yes, that's the one. Now I will click. You have to read the information. This function is used when replacing automatic CVT, and you have to follow the step. I will click next. What they need: car stop, engine stop, select lever in reverse, accelerator depressed. Push the brake. Look here, I'm gonna push the brake all the way, gas all the way, reverse, R. So what you're gonna do now, click start. It's done. Remove your feet from the gas, remove from the brake, put this one back. Try to put this back before you do anything. Turn the key off for 2 seconds. As soon as you turn the key off, this will start counting down. I turn the key off. 1, 2, 3. Now turn the key on. I cannot turn the key on because I have to get a detect. We get in trouble. This is a big trouble for, I don't like this antenna, honestly. Let me take this antenna out. Also it's not. Yeah, now it's on. As soon as it's on, you're gonna click next. Maybe the battery is dead on this. Now right. You see, he say WRITE, right. Condition ignition on, engine off, shift in park, start. Right, complete. You see here, complete, successful. You see data, writing is complete. Now I'm gonna click end. Now I gotta go back to diagnose. Now see CVT Judder is supposed to be yellow, but it's okay. Erase. If it's erased, okay, we're done. Because sometimes it changes yellow by itself. Before we are not able to do anything. Now it's done. Let me see if I can start the car. I have a problem with this car. I don't know why. Sometimes they have aftermarket alarm. I don't like. If you have a problem like this, please try to fix it early. And you don't need to put those kind of stuff in the car. Believe me, it is not good. Especially if you have a remote head key, like you're putting a key here. Sometimes this one will, like it create problem for the starter. It happened a couple of times and we fix it. Thank you for watching. All of you, all the world, share your support all over the world. From here I say to Mr. Faisal in Riyadh and all the people in Disney, Australia, Nipa Power, Africa, the whole world, Europe, Argentina, Brazil, America, all the people. I say thank you for your support and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please, anything, any information, help the website, please give it to us. Thank you.